Welcome my dear students. In our previous class we have been discussed about certain physical quantities which are being classified in two parts. One is a scalar and another is vector. A scalar quantities are the quantities which can be fully described by its magnitude. Magnitude itself is sufficient to define a scalar quantity. And the other quantity is vector quantity, which has magnitude and direction both. To fully explain it, you need magnitude and its direction both. Without direction, the quantity will not be termed as vector. Now the first example of the scalar quantity I have been written in my previous class. Distance. It is a very common word and you all are having idea about what is being called distance. You always say Buxar is 20 km from Sarinja. It is the measurement of the distance. At the same time, someone reaching at Buxar from another point, he says Buxar is 30 km from their point of a start. So the magnitude is enough to describe the distance from the point of origin where they start their journey. But in physics, distance is being termed as the path followed by the object is called distance. Due to the path, distance of Buxar is 10 km from Sarinja. Someone other is telling from another point that Buxar is 30 km from there. So, whatever the route, whatever the path they followed, they are being termed as distance. Its SI unit is meter. Long distances are measured in kilometer for sake of convenience, and very long distance, very long distances are also measured in solar units. Suppose light year. It is a scalar quantity. Displacement. Distance is also the length of the path. Displacement is also the length of the path. But there is a great difference between distance and displacement. Displacement may be defined as the difference of initial and final point of the object. Displacement, it is defined as difference of initial and final position of the object. Or it may be written as the shortest distance between the 2 points. You may also write here the straight distance, because a straight path is the shortest path between the 2 points. Now we will discuss about in detail its SI unit is meter, because it is also length. It is a vector, because it's having magnitude as well as direction both.